Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're new to the channel, do remember to subscribe and check out my workout videos too. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about a very serious topic, why you shouldn't take steroids. So what is steroids? Steroids is basically artificial testosterone, which is injected into the body to promote hypertrophy and muscle growth, and even used in cutting to make your body extremely lean. Nowadays, pro athletes and people who compete and all, they take these steroids to enhance their muscle growth and get very quick results. This actually comes with a lot of side effects which will affect you in a very bad way. Many pro athletes have also died at a very early age. So today we're going to discuss about all these issues. So let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing that is going to happen is that your body is going to reduce its natural production of testosterone. Now, just imagine, you don't need to earn money and someone just gives you money and be like, you enjoy your life. You're not going to obviously work. When you're getting the money, why the hell you're going to work, right? So your body is also going to be like in the same way. It's getting testosterone externally without producing it in the body. So your body is going to stop producing natural testosterone. So this will affect you in the long run, as your body will slow down the production of testosterone or even reduce it, or even come to such an extent that it doesn't produce testosterone at all. Okay, so the second reason is that when you take steroids, you're gonna have lots of acne. Your body will produce lots of oil. So your body is gonna be full of acne, which is totally disgusting. I don't think anyone would prefer having that on their body. Okay, so the third thing that will happen is you are going to develop breasts. Yes, that's right. Your body is going to reduce its testosterone production. So what is going to happen is you are going to develop female breasts in your body. Due to higher levels of estrogen than testosterone in your body, that is what's going to happen. Okay, so the fourth thing is that you can have lots of long-term issues like kidney damage, heart attacks, and liver damage too. So this can also lead to death in the long run. Many pro athletes have died due to these issues of overdose and lots of issues. It affects them in many ways and increases your heart rate, and it totally spoils your system. Okay, so the fifth thing is going to be that it's going to affect your sex life. It's going to reduce your libido, and it also happens that it shrinks your testicles. So your sperm production is going to reduce, and you are going to have erectile dysfunction. So lots of sex related issues you're going to have in your life. You may not even have a child in future. Okay, so the sixth thing is going to be that you're going to be bald, in the sense that many people have it in their genetics also. That process has become fast. So basically many people who take this have higher chances of becoming bald too. Okay, so the seventh thing is going to be that you are going to become very aggressive. As this hormone is being injected into your body with higher doses, it's going to play with your body and it's going to make you very aggressive, in a way that you're going to treat matters like you're going to get super angry with things and all that. And that can also affect relations with your people, your friends. That's all not going to be good for you. Okay, so now many people also get addicted to this. They say that when you stop this, your gains will actually stop, because this process is going to take you more than your natural potential, higher than it. So usually when you're going to stop taking your doses, it's not that you're going to plateau over there and all, you're going to drop down. So that's going to make you addicted in a way that you're going to keep taking it, because you obviously want to maintain that level or at least want to go higher than that. So that is how people get addicted into this. Okay, so the ninth thing that happens is that we're going to talk about now with what happens with females. So what happens with females is that they start developing male characteristics. There have been reports by some women that they have even not have their period cycle for months and even maybe years also. As this hormone is injected, it's a male hormone, it interferes with your body and it changes the hormone balance, which helps your body to develop those features which you won't desire to have as you are a woman. So this also reduces your breast size and a lot of other things here. You develop male characteristics like your voice becomes more bass and things like that. So I don't really think women should take this. Okay, so for those of y'all who think that naturally you can't achieve what you can, this is my natural transformation. I have the video link in the description, you can surely check it out. So I have done 2 years of home workout and 2 years of workout in the gym. And those 2 years that I did in the gym, I had a proper diet and I was very consistent. I never missed a day, like 6 days in a week I used to go, and at least 2.5 hours I would work out. So this is my natural transformation. If you believe in yourself, you surely can do it. Finally, what I want to tell you is, please don't take this if you are just trying to get yourself fit for a Instagram picture or something like that. I wouldn't ever promote it or make you take it in a way, because I have not taken it myself. I have been offered it, but I have rejected it because of all these complications. I've done lots of research and I don't want anyone to take this and have these type of problems. There are bodybuilders who are dying at the age of 30 and even before that. The youngsters who are taking all this, there are lots of problems here. People say in the post-cycle therapy or whatever they have about it, you can actually recover, but actually it may not always happen. Everyone is different. It may not happen, and usually it reduces your natural testosterone production. So I don't want you to take this. I really strongly stand against this and I promote natural bodybuilding. Okay, so I hope this video helped you to gain some knowledge. If it did, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my workout videos too. I'll see you guys in the next video.